So if you don't have a good webcam and you need to jump on a meeting, the good news is you probably already have a webcam setting right beside you, and that's your smartphone. And I'm going to show you today exactly how to use your smartphone as a webcam completely for free. Let's jump in. So we're going to do this with an app called DroidCam. So go wherever you download your apps, search for DroidCam. It'll pop up right there, and we're going to install that. In my case, I already have it installed. And it's going to bring you to a screen like this, just saying, welcome to DroidCam. Click continue. So then next, we want to install the app on our computer. So we're just going to search for DroidCam on our browser. See it pop up here. Click on that. You can see here it's going to want to install this. So we're going to download that install. So you scroll down here, depending on which device you're on, we're going to go the Windows setup, download the exe file. Once that finishes downloading, you just open that to run the installer, and then just walk through the installation process, agree to the terms and conditions, and install. Click finish. Then we just want to run the DroidCam app. And something cool I want to mention too is if you want to take your video production even further, we put together a free AI video production toolkit from a commercial director who's made AI ads with over 300 million views for the NBA Finals and Fortune 500 brands. Now, this toolkit includes a production framework, 10 prompts for the full production process, and a viral ad formula you can steal. So if you want to get a hold of that, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, and it's yours. And then once that opens up, you just want to click on Add Device. And if your phone is on the same Wi-Fi, it should find it automatically. So we're going to click OK on our phone. It's locating it. It wants to access your camera. You want to allow that. You want to allow the microphone. Then it's going to ask if you will share your Wi-Fi location so that your computer can automatically find it. We'll click Allow. And then on our computer, we'll just click Add Device. And it should pop up with your iPhone there, or whatever device you're using. So we'll click on that, add selected device, and there you have it. My phone is now connected to my computer. And now what I'm going to do to show you how this works is we're going to head over into like a meeting. We'll go to Google Meet, and then where you select your camera, you can see all your different camera sources. You just want to select DroidCam, turn the camera on, and there you have it. Now I have my phone as the webcam talking in a Google Meet on my computer. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.